is April 13th, 2011. It's about 6 o'clock. We just got the blind set up. We got the decoys out. Old Faithful here. We're ready. We're gonna put smack down on one this morning. We got the wind on our side. It's blowing to the north of us, so hopefully it'll carry the sound down to them turkeys and bring them in for us. You guys stay tuned. This is JCP 342.
Right to us.
You got them on film?
Oh yeah. There's $2 on right to us now.
They're going away from us, aren't they?
They're walking right to us right now. Hey, when they just peel this hill, get your gun barrel out the window, okay?
Yeah, I don't know which way to have it.
Oh.
I don't know if they're going to go down a little.
They're still, I can see their heads still.
I'm trying to watch which way they start.
They're looking right at the beacon still.
I can't see them.
Okay. They're gone right now, I can't see them. That's awesome. Talk about a freaking redhead, dude. That's the redhead.
God, did you hear him?
Dude, I totally got that video too. That's the coolest footage I've ever taken, dude.
Did you get a good shot on him?
I got it, bro.
Man, my heart is pounding. It's just boom, 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 boom. Open the morning, man.
Taco out there, right? What time is that? Dude, what time is it? What time? I got the time. I got the time.
Oh no, I'm about ready to pass out. I'm so excited. 7:21.
7:21.
That other one's sitting out there somewhere.
Oh god. Hey, one sec. Watch out. Watch out. I'm gonna film the dead one there real quick, buddy. Congratulations, my brother.
Opening morning, guys. Bagged and tagged.
There he lies, buddy. There he lies.
Let me go out there and check
Thumped
him
a
out.
hole on him. How was this? Pick that trophy up, bud. Oh, hey. Oh, I ain't quite dead.
Alright guys, it's April 13th, opening morning of turkey season. We got out here about 5:30 in the morning. About 6:30, we could see the birds come off the roost, and they came off all the way at the completely opposite end of the field. They was way south, or north of us. Well, we seen them come out. They went back in. We seen them come out. We seen them cut across the field, so we started calling. Started putting, using Holland's hand grenade, making blow up call. I was also using a mouth call. I had my buddy helping me back me up with bad boys calls. We was able to pull him in. We pulled him in from the group, and this is my first turkey. This is my first turkey ever. I've never shot a turkey before, and I got it. And I had my buddy Ian Sparks. He was running the camera for me. Did an awesome job. He was there the whole time. Didn't miss a beat. He got everything. It was really nice. Couldn't have picked a better day to come out here and hunt. I was really skeptical this morning when I seen them break in and go back out into the timber, but it was awesome. We're up here in central Kansas and shot a nice big Tom Rio. Couldn't ask for a better hunt. I think he was probably about 40 yards when I shot him, and I put the smack down on him. Looks like he's got about inch hooks on him and a 10-inch beard. I can't wait to get him home and get him mounted. Thanks guys, and stay tuned. There will be more hunting on JCP 342. (2011) in the AM. Put the whammy on it.